Translation. The proof is the saying of Allah, the Most High. Surah Al-Asr, Chapter 103. By time, mankind is in loss, except for those who truly believe and worship Allah alone, and do righteous deeds, performing that which is obligatory upon them and avoiding that which they are forbidden, and enjoin one another with patient perseverance upon obedience to Allah and in facing harm and trials.
The author says the proof is the saying of Allah, the Most High. Surah Al-Asr, Chapter 103.
والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
By time, mankind is in loss, except for those who truly believe and worship Allah alone and do righteous deeds, performing that which is obligatory upon them and avoiding that which they are forbidden, and enjoin one another with patient perseverance upon obedience to Allah and in facing harm and trials. Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, swears in this surah by time in which the events, both good and evil, occur. Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, swears by it that all of mankind are in loss, except for those having these four characteristics. Number 1, true faith, that is Iman. Number 2, righteous actions. Number 3, enjoining one another with the truth commanded by Allah. And number 4, enjoining one another with patient perseverance. Ibn Qayyim said, striving against one's own self, that is jihadun nafs, is 4 levels. Number 1, that he strives upon learning the guidance and the true religion, which is such that there can be no success or bliss for the soul in this life or in the hereafter except through it. Number 2, that he strives to act upon what he has learned. And number 3, that he strives to call to it and to teach it to those who do not know it. Number 4, that he accustoms his soul to having patience and perseverance upon the hardships involved in calling to Allah and the harm caused by the people, and he patiently bears this for Allah's sake. So, if a person completes these 4 stages, then he becomes one of the rightly guided and wise scholars and teachers. Ar-Rabbaniyun. Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, swears in this surah by time that everyone from mankind is in loss, no matter how great his wealth is and how numerous his offspring are, despite his position and status, except for those who gather these 4 characteristics. Number 1, true faith, which comprises everything which draws a person closer to Allah, the Most High, both correct creed and belief, that is Aqidah, and beneficial knowledge. Number 2, righteous action, which is every saying or action which draws a person closer to Allah. For example, that which is done purely and sincerely for Allah and is done in accordance with the way of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 3, enjoining one another upon good, which is to motivate, encourage, and urge one another to do that which is good. And number 4, enjoining one another with patient perseverance, and to have patience and persevere upon carrying out whatever Allah the Most High has ordered. and in avoiding whatever Allah has forbidden, and to have patience with whatever Allah decrees. Mutual enjoyment of good and of patience comprises ordering the good and forbidding the evil, which is the support of this ummah and upon which depends its well-being, victory and attainment of honor and excellence. It says in Surah Ali Imran chapter 3 verse 110,
كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله.
You are the best people raised up for mankind, ordering true faith in Allah and His Messenger and action according to what Allah ordained, and forbidding association of others in worshipping along with Allah, denial of His Messenger and doing that which He has forbidden. And you believe truly in Allah and single Him out, making all worship purely and sincerely for Him.